Malo, malo. If you're married or in a relationship, don't watch any more of this post. Stop. Everybody else, think about your first kiss. Songi is the word for kiss, and if you do it right, it's an action. Now, there's a while leading up to that kiss. It's a period of time, no matter how long, from birth until then. And that word for while is a'o. That period of time, a'o, where your kiss has not yet happened, right there. We talked about did not and not yet before, right? And the Samoan word for not yet is le'i. That period of time where that kiss has not happened in English is known as before kiss, or a'o le'i songi. I explain it this way because you'll often see before expressed in phrases like a'o ete le'i songi, or while you not yet have kissed, or before you kissed. That ete is a present tense you tense marker. When you use pronouns like I, you, me, us, and them, and stuff like that, you put that person or people in the present while or moment where the action did not happen yet to express before. It can be worded other ways as well, which we'll get to a little bit in the Samoan sentence structure course found in my link in the bio up there, and also in greater detail in the new Samoan language course that's going to be coming soon. So if you're married or in a committed relationship and you just got caught going down memory lane about some other chick, then at least you would have learned something. A'oe ke le'i moi lai fafu I lau ka vale nā date. Ka get another one out of a note.